was a more about too much. It's must be more services for me. Now, 2 days ago, information I saw kind of of a private jet crash here at Tema, Comm1, MTA Daycare Center. Now, information in better monetization and benefit here, investigations about the cause of the accident. I'm look at a free Hebron prayer camp. And I have an Akupimo Hebron prayer camp. I hope some Kesepa and a issue of Honoma. All those say a year prayer camp and go for a quarter a bumpire. Any testimonies I hold one. This time, ye acquire say a year and a more year because I hope and at home. Now, Jema Hebron for a soon, I say, play na a crash or Temano, and Kumi new Frimono, Sankofono, or that Donkor, and Ma, a Bapini, a friend of Captain Frank Donkor, any Minichiba, I day Elijah Donkor. Now, Jema Assembly Choir, or say, Frank Donkor, a warrior, and just 3 months in December, and or anywhere the intimate way. Who send ye pa Alberto Ebusiano. Now, information we and I kind of for about Reverend Eastwood Anaba 2009. A choir fast one in Maminu and a sort of Maisia, a wee or Tamale, Bogatanga, a quanoso. IECS, I go over it. Once you see, and I'm for the Sobo, a bonya coupon said, I didn't tell Yamema, Nenkoa, a software, F.I. Yao BC, Mo, and I say, Oma at to enter to see, Eto. As of Captain Frank Donkor, over 15 years experience as flight instructor. At 20 by number for Chelsea, a pilot to not only good, but Yakin Frank Donkor Bay, over 15 years of experience. You the cause of this accident. Now, according to Ghana Civil Aviation Authority, flight here in accident to Temano, I said over 22 years ago at AC1 more, and just last 2 years, and no more repair as San Francisco. Juma Tema of say it could be a flight and a would Juma and I say a do pepper and so I was say you to me a yusu and a Frank Donkor a good two sa flighty. Now
I assume see as school for no one Jimka. We may use school for the banner. Like say banner so we do. Oh, you be more training with my way yeah, I think yes, I know. FM Nanapa. Hi, Tema. What happened?
So it was around 2:50. My headmistress was in my class, and she was carrying a little baby at her back. So when the baby was crying, we were just waiting for the mother to come. But yeah, how at the end happened? The only thing we saw was the explosion. The only thing we heard was the explosion. And I would say that it's by the grace that we are still alive. Because if it wasn't God, I didn't even know what I would do. Because I was even mad. I didn't even know where to go with the kids.
So the kids could have died?
Yes. They could have died. Because the way the thing happened, and the pilot and the other colleague were burnt to ashes. So what could have happened? It would have been disaster.
Everybody thank God?
Yes. I have to thank God because I'm a teacher taking care of someone's children. And the kids were about 35 in the class. And it was 2 classrooms. The next class was just behind me. So if that class was about 25, when you add it, it is around 60 kids. And 2 teachers and the headmistress. We will all be bent to ashes.
Will this haunt you for the rest of your life?
Yes. And even the kids. Because as I was going with 2 kids, I couldn't move. I couldn't even move, and I was holding the kids, and someone was even shouting my name to run. But I told the person that I can't even in the class. And it was 2 classrooms. The next class was just behind me. So if that class was about 25, when you add it, it is around 60 kids. And 2 teachers and the headmistress. We will all be bent to ashes.
Will this haunt you for the rest of your life?
Yes. And even the kids. Because as I was going with 2 kids, I couldn't move. I couldn't even move, and I was holding the kids, and someone was even shouting my name to run. But I told the person that I can't even.
Many will say there's a press release every Ghana Civil Aviation Authority Abeto Mountain so person making kind edema. Micro light aircraft crash incident for immediate release. The Ghana Civil Aviation Authority can confirm that a micro light aircraft with registration number 9GADV crashed in Tema on Monday, 16th March 2026. The aircraft was flying from Ho to Accra, estimating Accra at 1,520 Z. The last contact with the aircraft on radio was 1,418 Z. There were 2 persons on board. Further details will be provided in due course. And when the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority for press release among Edabeta Banti, Ebusia, where you have the host, Messer Sober coming on Yama Donko, Ebusian Yako. The Ama Semi Ayara Rokani said Donko over Emma 5, and Mammy and Sa, and a Mammy, Minokasi, and Mammy Nuno, and a Ephraim. Ebusia, I hate too much, Messer de Moise, also do I mean about your comments in the Amai. Now, for me, I subscribe button, and I upload now. Onsa ebetu nyaka akra
I assume C0llapsed school for number 1 Jemka we may use school for the bani like say bani so we dey do oh we be am we train with yeah I see yes I know FM Nana Pa. Hi, Tema.